Let us learn the 10th question. A container open at the top is in the form of a frustum of a cone of height 16 centimeter with radii of its lower and upper ends are 8 centimeter and 20 centimeter respectively. Find the cost of milk which can completely fill a container at the rate of rupees 40 per liter. Okay, so the container shape is frustum of a cone. In that frustum of a cone, keeping the milk fully. Okay, so the person don't know how much milk, but the rate of the milk is rupees 40. Okay, maybe he can buy the milk from the vendor. He will give the milk and get the rupee. So totally they ask what is the cost of the milk in that container. So first of all, you need to find the volume of the frustum of the cone. So when you find the volume of the frustum of the cone, you can find the capacity of the milk in that container. Okay. So if you know the capacity of the milk, you can apply this rate for this liter. After getting the measure volume, you will get in centimeter cube. You have to change in liter and apply this cost. Okay, so be careful to do. Now when they give the measures, here they given height of the frustum, then radii of lower and upper ends. Okay, lower end is 8 centimeter, upper end is 16 centimeter. So first of all we can choose, let height be the height and small r comma capital R be the lower and be the radii of, okay, be the radii of lower and upper ends. Okay, now we need the formula for the frustum of a cone, that also we can write. We have volume of the frustum of a cone is equal to 1 by 3 into pi into capital R square plus capital R into small r plus small r square into h. Okay, otherwise pi h divided by 3. That way also you can write cubic units. Okay, now we written the formula for the volume also. So we can write what are the values are given according to this formula. Given h is equal to 16 centimeter. Capital, then lower end, it is small r is equal to 8 centimeter and capital R is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay, next we can find out the volume of the frustum of the cone. It is the volume of the container. To find the volume of the container, that is equal to volume of the frustum. So we can write the values here. No need to write the formula. We written the formula already. So write the values. Okay, from the formula you can substitute all the values. What is the formula of the frustum of a cone? 1 by 3 pi into capital R square plus capital R into small r plus small r square into h. Otherwise, you write pi h divided by 3 into capital R square plus capital R into small r plus small r square. Okay, anyway, you can apply the value. Totally, we have the multiplication now. Only inside the bracket we have the addition. The remaining on multiplication you can change and write, since multiplication is commutative. So now I substitute all the values. Okay, we can simplify, which is equal to 1 into 22 is 22 divided by 3 sevens are 21 into 20 square. What is the value of 20 square? 20 into 20 is 400 plus 20 into 8. 8 twos are 16. So it is 160 plus 8 square. 8 eights are 64 into 16. Okay, which is equal to, we can add this value 400 plus 160, it is 560 plus 64. So 560 plus 40 is 600, 624. Okay, so we can write it is 624, 22 divided by 21 into 624 into 16. If you can cancel, you cancel the value. This one using this 3 table, you can cancel this 624. So using the 3 table, 7 threes are 21, 2 threes are 6, 0, 8 threes are 24. Okay. Then again, can you using the 7 table? No, it is not possible. Okay, using the 7 table, you cannot do the division, you can do the multiplication anywhere. Sorry, division in anywhere. So you can multiply the numerator and multiply the denominator. Sorry, divide using the denominator. Okay, so 22 into 208 into 16 divided by 7. It is the value now we get. So we can multiply now 208 into 22. Okay, I multiplied and divide. When I multiply, I got 73,216 divided by 7. Okay, now when I divide, I got this 10,459.428. It is going on. Okay, so we can approximate this value. It is 10,459. Okay, you see this, only the decimal integral part you consider. So the decimal part value 428. First digit of the decimal part is 4, it is less than 5. So no need to do any change in the previous digit, but you leave this all digits. Okay, so 10,459 centimeter cube approximately. Okay, now they in the question they given the value cost of the milk given in liter. So we can change the centimeter cube into liter. Okay, we know the relation 1000 centimeter cube is equal to 1 liter. Okay, so that means 1 centimeter cube is equal to 1 by 1000 liter. Okay, so this 10,459 centimeter cube means 10,459 divided by 1000 liter. Okay, so we can change the centimeter cube value in liter. So we need to divide using 1000. So you will get the value in liter. Okay, this is in centimeter cube, this is in liter. When you divide using 10,000, there are 3 zeros. So after 3 digit, you can put the decimal point. Now in this number, the right extreme you have the decimal point. Okay, so from that you can move 3 digit to the left. So you will get 10.459 liter. Okay, next in the question they given cost of the milk per liter, given cost of the milk for 1 liter is equal to rupees 40. Okay, therefore cost of the milk for 10.459 liter is equal to rupees 40 into 10.459. Okay, see this cost, you will get the unit in rupees. So you don't write the liter. This is for 1 liter. Okay, so this liter you can cancel for 1 liter, no? So this liter cancel, you will get this total value in rupees. So only that unit you write it here. Then you multiply using 40. For multiplying using 40, you can write multiply by 4 and put one more 0. When you multiply, you don't put the decimal point. Then here we multiplied using 4, but we need the multiplication using 40. So you can put the 0 also. Then after 3 digit, you put the decimal point. So here we will get the decimal point, that is rupees 418.36. Okay, so what is the cost of the milk? Rupees 418.36. Answer: cost of the milk contained in the frustum of a cone. Is rupees 418.36. Are you all clear? So when you divide, in that time you approximate and change into liter and find the value. Okay, so you will get the cost. Here the normally the cost we can write in 2 digits. Okay, pies we will write in 2 digits now. So you can write the same, no need to approximate. 418.36. Are you all clear?